This would actually be cute for junk journaling, so I'm gonna get that. Oh my god, I've never seen them do colored dice. Are you kidding me? Well, good morning. As you can see, I'm at Dollar Tree. I'm just trying to spot, you know, some new stuff today. I already got these. These are the cute little travel brushes. See that? They have this color too. Whoa, look at this brush by Sassy and Chic. Okay, I'm definitely gonna get that. This is really good. So far, I'm not seeing the stuff I want to find. Look at that. The gel polish. You know what? I'm actually gonna get this. How cute are these? Oops. How cute are these? You got all the nail stuff, which is really nice. I know that they have out some new shaving creams. I'm not seeing it, but look, the store does have these. These are the native dupes. I already got it. I already got all that. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. I already got this, the cuticle balm. I've already hauled that. And this too. Oh my gosh, look at this. If you have contacts, what? That is so freaking cool. They have Love Struck, inspired by Victoria's Secret Love Spell. This is the one I was talking about. They have the bath bombs of it. Wait, they have the vanilla. I'm gonna get these two. Just wait, what's this one? The multivitamin. Got that. I've already hauled both of those. I'm trying to look for that one body wash by the Power. What's that brand? But I'm clearly not seeing it. Wait, what? This is new. Oh my god. I've never seen this. Why did I just repeat that twice? I think I just stroked out. Oh my god, that's new. That is new. Okay, let's see about their masks. Yes, I was looking for this. I'm so excited that I found it. The Kissable Fresh Start Facial Cleanser. Okay, I'm gonna get that. The blemish patches are so good. I already got this. The neck mask. Pretty much have all of that. I have this one too, but we're gonna get this one. I have that. I've gotten that. Foot mask. Whoa. That's new, I think. Let me get this. This is the tea tree oil salicylic acid balancing face wash. Look, they have the lotions. I'm gonna get the lotions too. collagen serum and a hyaluronic acid serum. That is so freaking cute. Are you kidding me? Okay, what else? I think I've gotten this whole kit before. I got that. This came back. This is a restock, so we're gonna get, this is really good. Really, really good. And then I think I got the blemish control. That is so crazy. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. This looks so vintage. These are so vintage. Are you kidding me? I'm sorry. Where have these little pink ghosts been? How is this not viral? We're getting those. Look how cute this is. Groomsmen glasses. Bachelorette bash. I do crew. Ooh, this whiskey. Oh, I've seen this whiskey one. Wait, why are there New Orleans Saints stuff here? That's interesting. I mean, I was born in New Orleans, but I'm curious as to why it's not like Dallas Cowboys in my area. Like, look at those. That's pretty cool. Alright, this was the Dollar Tree where I found the organizers for my socks, but I'm not seeing them here either. Packing cubes? No, they didn't. No, they didn't. And in black, you get 2 in here for $1.25. This is actually insane. I'm gonna get another one. But I'm not seeing the cubes that I like for my socks here. Like, they have these. They have these. They have that. These are not the ones I'm looking for. Oh, I guess those are sold out. Oh my gosh. They have a new Monopoly. Gotta get that. They have Connect 4. Gotta get that. I've gotten Clue, I've gotten Scrabble. So these are the other 2 new ones, but I've also never seen High Cheerio. And I feel like it's been a long time since I've seen Chutes and Ladders. So I'm gonna get all 4 of these. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, yeah, we're gonna get this too. They've got a lot. Look, these are all the original. Candyland. Guess Who. This place is stacked. Like, they've got a little chessboard. Let's get the chess pieces. Love those. What are waggles? I have no idea what waggles are, but let's switch over here. Wow, they have the melting beads. Look at that. I remember playing with these. They're so cute. They've got like all the colors. White. You've got green in here. And I have a list. So I carry like a little mini composition notebook from Dollar Tree. And I have like my little Dollar Tree shopping list right here. Clear and teas. So this, I wanted to like put teas and organize teas in my chores, my kitchen chores. Let's just start off with this one and we'll see if it works for me. these are. They're like a plastic, it's got glitter in it. And it says shine. And then they have one that says sparkle. But I'm wondering, could I use some of these for junk journaling? Oh my gosh, look how cute these glasses are. They're like birthday glasses that you put on. They're cupcakes. That's cute. And I'm gonna get some of these. You already know. I don't want to say anything anymore. I have been looking for these flashcards forever. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Let's get that. I'm starting to really fill up my basket. Get a couple of these. Oh my god, those are amazing. What? I'm gonna get one of these. Been trying to find the mini composition notebooks, but I haven't seen a restock of them yet. So that's unfortunate. Ooh, look how cute that is. Oh my god, Christmas is up. And I'm not even mad. I love it. Wow. Wow. Ooh, look how cute these are. I'm not gonna get anything Christmas today, but cute. Oh, I remember this one. This one is so good. I love this one. Okay, wait a minute. The fact that this line put out colors for the seasons is definitely brand new. Doesn't seem like a big deal, but it is, because they've only carried this in like clear, purple, pink, blue. It's in the back. But now they're giving us Halloween colors. I'm shocked. I don't even know what to say. I was not expecting that in the slightest. Wait, what is this little cutie? Oh my god. Wait, what is this? That is so cute. You guys, that's so cute. Wait, what is this? Oh my god. Wait, what is this? Why does it have a little... I'm gonna get some of these. I love the colors. I think I want to do like my Christmas junk journal with like these kinds of colors, I think. And let's see what else they have. Wait. What? What? I'm sorry, what the hell? Stitch makers? Okay, we're gonna do these. Oh my gosh, look how it says baby. Oh my god, that's so cute. Blank cards. Wow, that's so amazing. Polymer clay. Man, this store has got it going on. Yes, ma'am, it sure does. It sure does. I mean, look at the sticker section. Like, this place is mint. Look at that. also found these hotel keychains. What? Are you kidding me? Alright guys, I'm gonna check out.